Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your personal details in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here it opens up in the shopping menu, where you can browse sportswear, fashion clothes, designer wear, and all kinds of interesting things. But from here, we have to go into the profile menu. In the top right corner, you can find the little person icon, and if you tap on this, then it opens up the profile menu. Here, you have to tap on personal details in the overview category. And if you tap on this, and after it loads, you can find your personal details like your email address, your bio, your profile picture, and stuff like that. That's just as you can see here you can change your password, add your addresses, redeem gift cards, and do different things with your data, then sign out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.